Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. When I call about Sandy Home Recipe, today they can out show me video. Remember, rate, subscribe. Now I share. Now I like it. You have me a notification bell no. Tell me the video be a better one Sabeka. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. And be sure to be a fried fish recipe. We a fresh tilapia. Ube chicha. Twitwere na awie no no akwakwa hohoro ho wie na da gu ade foforo mu o de o salt egu mu fish season aka ho all pepper season aka ho awoso no ama spices ni na akọ ho yie wie na da si for 20 minutes after 20 minutes no akọche cho medium hot oil o de fresh rosemary begu ago now dey flak akra de egum ebe boa menam no enkekam uwia na do fish na ede egum then be so that dance ni na be bempe. Please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like and also click the bell icon to get new video I will post to be koswa ede adane dane no. Aha no aye ready na we ye fi anwanim na wa serve adwane bi abese odi wetimi de edi epuma to say di kan a wo hwe me video a memma rate subscribe na wa share na wa like no we me notification bell no send me the video bia beto a won sabeka. Now this our fried fish recipe. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.